That's it. I love gumamela. You do have to capitalize that letter G. But that gumamela is a proper noun. But when you say I love flower or flowers, that is a common noun. Any question? Yes. Any question? Yes. What's your question? Okay. This is what we're going to do. We'll have a quiz, and this row is exempted. Okay. Students, in this row, can you get 1/4 sheet of paper? You don't have the paper.
Yellow. What paper?